In today's video, I have another quick crock pot meal for you. This one comes together really quick. This I am making for two people, so I'm using my small crock pot. I'm going to use a Lipton soup and a brown gravy packet, and I am also going to use some mushrooms, also add some onions and some beef, and my homemade noodles will also be going in this. If you want to check out my homemade noodle recipe, it is on my channel. It comes together really quick. It seems like homemade noodles would be so difficult to make, but they're really not that hard, and you can just lay them out to dry. I'm going to pour that into my crock pot. Now I just want to dump in the mushrooms, and I'm going to throw in the beef. This I had bought a long time ago, so I don't remember exactly what cut it was, but any beef would work in this recipe. And then I just want to give it a good mix, just like that. I'd like to add in an onion. I looked and I have a little bit of onion in a package, so I want to use that up. So I'm going to give that a cut and add that as well. And now I will give that a good mix. I'm going to put the lid on this and let this go on high for at least 2 hours. I'll check it, and then I will add my noodles in at that time and then cook it until the noodles are tender. When I make homemade noodles, I make enough for 2 meals, so this will be the end of that, and I will need to make some more. After about an hour of cooking, I will be adding another cup of water. And it is ready. And the nice thing about this is you could put this over bread, you could put this over rice. Our favorite is potatoes, mashed potatoes. It's so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.